cryptocurrency, man, it's crazy. I got Bitcoin, man, I got Litecoin, man. I'm going digital.
YouTube, what's up? It's your boy back with another video, Life in Crypto. I'm doing an update video on the thermostat housing issue. I know you guys may have seen the video before this one. This is my second video, by the way, and I also wanted to thank you guys for giving me. I think I'm at like 220 subscribers or something like that. I just wanted to say thank you guys, and hopefully we can continue to grow. But excuse me, y'all, it's real hot out here. But anyway, I just wanted to show you guys the thermostat real quick. Let me go ahead and turn the camera around. All right, so here is the old thermostat I took off right here. I don't know if the camera's gonna pick it up, but if you can see that number 2 right there, there's a hairline crack right by that number 2. If you can see that, it's going straight up. Let me see if I can put my thumb on it. Right there, it's a hairline crack. So that's where it was leaking from. So pretty much took this off and replaced it. It was pretty easy and simple. So I mean, that's pretty much garbage. And oh, what do you know, my fiance just pulled up right now. And guys, it's pretty simple on how to change this out. You just have to make sure you bleed the system. That's pretty much it. Just make sure you get all the air out, and you're pretty much good to go from there. Now, I wish all I had to tell you guys was an update, but I also got some more bad news. My battery died on me. So, hey, what's up, babe? So now, the reason why I'm telling you guys about this battery is a lot of people's Chargers, Challengers, 300s, they're catching on fire. And I'm going to tell you why. I actually just found this out myself, is that there is a vent tube right here. I've never seen this before on a battery. I'm used to just getting batteries and just putting them in and going. But there's actually a vent tube right here, as you guys can see. So what I'm thinking is happening, people are just buying batteries that don't come equipped with a vent tube, and they catch on fire. Plain and simple. You see this right here, babe? Check this out. Remember Real to Real when his car caught on fire?
Oh, yeah.
You see this vent tube right here?
Oh,
I've never seen that before.
Oh.
So the battery's actually venting, I guess because it's in the trunk or whatever. Yeah. But this is new to me. I just never paid attention to this. My car is 7 years old. This is the original battery, and it just failed after 7 years, so I can't complain. By the way, I got stuck. Well, I didn't get stuck at Walmart, but my car died, and I had to use your jumper. It worked good.
Good. I'm glad you had it.
Yep. So
Did
guys,
it work well?
Yeah, it worked really good.
Okay, cool.
So guys, always make sure that you get the one with the vent tube in it. So I'm gonna go ahead and wrap this up, guys. I just wanted to let you guys know the little update. And all right, stay blessed.